Hello everyone and welcome to another session. In today's session we are doing a coding exercise using pointers and functions. We would like to write a program that swaps the value of two variables using a function and pointers. We learned previously how to do it using a call by value or a call by reference. So a call by reference we can directly modify the variables, but in a call by value we are modifying a copy of the original variables. So whatever that is printed in the function is the modification, and the modification is not done in the int main function. So this is what we learned from the C++ course beginners. Now we are going to do modifications using a pointer. So in order to do that, we declare two variables, x and y, and we would like to swap their values. So now we are printing the x and y values. We expect that it should be 5 and 10, x equals 5 and y equals 10. Then we call the swap function here, and we are passing the address of the x and the address of y. So this function is going to have access to the address of both variables and directly to the values of both variables. So this function is called swap. It's a void type, and it is accepting two arguments, two pointers as the arguments, and they are separated by a comma. In order to swap their values, we are defining a new variable called temp, means temporary. So the first argument here represents the x, and the second argument here represents the y. So so pointer a is having access to value x, which is 5, and pointer b is going to have access to the value 10, which is y. So now when we say star a, it means x or it means 5. So star a is assigned to this temp, meaning that 5 is assigned to this temp. And then star b is assigned to star a, meaning that 10 is assigned to star a. And finally, temp is assigned to star b, meaning that because it got the value of 5. So 5 is assigned to star b. Basically, we defined a new variable. We put whatever it is in A, we are putting in this one, and then we are putting whatever that is in B in A, and then we are putting this temp into B. So we used a third variable to swap the values of these A and B. And after this function has finished its execution, we are going to print the value of x and y, and we see that the values are swapped directly. Okay, great. Let me analyze the code for you one more time. So we are having two variables here, and we are printing their values. X equals 5, y equals 10, so we are printing them. Then we call the swap function. It's a void type. We are passing the address of two variables x and y. So a represents x and b represents y. So whatever that is in a or x, or simply means 5, is going to be assigned to temp. And then whatever that is in star b simply means y or 10 is going to be assigned to star a, meaning that x is going to get the value 10, like this. And then temp was 5. Now then temp is going to be assigned to star b, meaning that 5 is going to be assigned to star b, meaning that now 5 star b equals 5 and star a equals 10. So initially star a was representing x, whose value was 5. Now it is still representing x, but its value has changed. The same goes with the b, as we see the result here. After swapping, x equals 10 and y equals 5. It's a very good example that we can do modification using a pointer directly by directly pointing to the variables. Don't forget to do these exercises yourself to get used to syntaxes of the pointers in C++. Thank you for watching.